Bitcoin flipped into positive territory ahead of the New York opening bell, tracking U.S. stock futures gains as investors pinned hopes on Washington's economic relief package. The benchmark cryptocurrency jumped 1.48% from its Asian session intraday low of $19,051. Its move uphill took it up to $19,333, raising prospects that it would retest the weekly resistance area above $19,500 in the U.S. session to attempt an extended move towards $20,000. The moves matched the ones in the U.S. stock derivatives market. For instance, futures tied to the S&P 500 rose 0.6% in the pre-trading U.S. session, pointing the benchmark stock index may open higher after falling consecutive for 4 days. Similarly, Nasdaq futures also jumped 0.4%. A bipartisan group of U.S. Senate urged congressional lawmakers on Monday to pass a $748 billion stimulus package for struggling American households amid fresh lockdowns and a rising number of COVID-19 infections. Investors anticipated that Congress would pass an interim package before the holiday season. The second COVID-19 relief bill's prospects lowered the U.S. dollar's strength against the basket of foreign currencies. As of 0725 est, the U.S. dollar index was down 0.15%, further positioning anti-fiat assets like stocks, gold, and Bitcoin for a fruitful New York session on Tuesday. Meanwhile, further tailwinds for Bitcoin could come from the Federal Reserve's two-day policy meeting ending Wednesday. The market anticipates that the Fed Chairman Jerome Powell would maintain their existing expansionary policies of ultralow interest rates and unlimited bond buying intact because of an uncertain economic outlook in the U.S. Besides, Mr. Powell has already admitted that his office would target an inflation rate above 2% in the coming years unless the unemployment claims reverse back into a normal range. That further lifts the appeal of assets like Bitcoin that behave as a hedge against lower-yielding bonds. Technically, Bitcoin is looking for a clear breakout move above the resistance area of $19,500 minus $19,600. Such a move opens its potential of extending its upside range towards $20,000. Else, the price risks correcting lower to test its verifiable support trendline as shown in the chart above. That could have the price plunge down towards $18,200.